Welcome to Management Funda. Subject Strategic Management. Subtopic Process of Strategic Management. In this we are going to learn environment scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation and strategy evaluation. These are the 4 steps in the process of strategic management. Strategic management is the process of managing, planning and analyzing in order to reach all organization goals. Strategic management help an organization see where it currently stands, where it will be in the future, staying on the current course and where it will be in the future. Strategic management take advantages of organization resources to create a strategy that helps get closer to reach their goal. The process of strategic management includes environment scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation and strategy evaluation. Let's take a look at how each of these steps ties it into overall strategy management process. In this diagram you can see this first step is environmental scanning, second is strategy formulation, third is strategy implementation and fourth is strategy evaluation. In first step what you have to do is you have to collect all the data of your company. Okay, what is the strength of your company, what are the weakness you have, what is the external environment, opportunities and threat, you have to find out. You have to collect all the data about your company. In second step, that is strategy formulation, you have to make a plan based on the data collected in the first step. Then you have to make a plan in a second step. After that you will form a strategy. After formulation of strategy you will implement it. Your third step is to implement your strategy. Okay, whatever you have planned that you have to bring it now in a action. And fourth is monitoring your strategy, that is strategy evaluation. Whatever you have planned, whatever you have implement, now continuously you have to monitor that everything is going in a correct direction to achieve your organization goals. First step is environmental scanning. Environmental scanning refer to a process of collecting, scrutinizing and providing information for strategic purpose. It helps in analyzing the internal and external factor influencing an organization. After executing the environment and analysis process, management should evaluate it on a continuous basis and strive to improve it. During this stage of the process, it is important to gather as much information and data as possible. This information will be integral to creating your strategy to reach your goals. This step of strategy management entails become aware of any issue within the organization and understand all of the needs of the organization. Okay, in this stage you will scan all your strength, all your weakness, all your external opportunities and threat. Okay, you will collect as much as information about your organization. What is the resources you are having, what sort of manpower you possess, okay, where is your factory location, what is your leadership position in the market, what sort of market you have in future. Everything you have to collect all the information, that is your current status of your organization. So this is especially the step where you collect all the data related to your organization. Next step is strategy formulation. In this strategy management step, you will use all the intelligence and data you have gathered to formulate the strategy that you will use to reach whatever goal you set. Identify useful resources you have and also seek out other resources you will need to set up your strategy. Strategy formulation is a process of deciding best course of action for accomplishing organization objectives and hence achieving organization purpose. After conducting environmental scanner, manager formulates corporate, business and functional strategy. Okay, on this stage But based on your step number 1, you will collect all the data. Based on that data, you will formulate your strategy plan. You will, at this stage, you will see that how your resources are used in optimum way. You will see which resources you are having and which you need to buy, or you have to rein such resources. Then you will decide upon the action plan. What sort of action plan is required to achieve your organization objective? After conducting environmental scanning, manager formulate corporate, business and functional strategy. Third stage, that is strategy implementation. This is a very important stage, as this is your action oriented stage. Okay, first you have plan. Now planning has to be in a should be converted into action. This is the most important part of the entire strategic management process. At this point, each member of the team should have a clear understanding of the plan and should know how they play a part within it. This is the stage where your strategy is put into action. Strategy implementation implies making the strategy work as intent or putting the organization chosen strategy into action. Strategy implementation include designing the organization structure, distributing resources, developing decision making process and managing human resources. So this is a very important stage, as this is a action oriented stage. Strategy evaluation, that is monitoring your strategy. Fourth step is monitoring your strategy. Strategy evaluation is the final step of strategy management process. The key strategy evaluation activities are appraising internal and external factors that are the root of present strategy, measuring performance and taking ready-made corrective action. Evaluation makes sure that the organization strategy as well as implementation meets the organization objective. During this stage, your strategy will already be in play. At this point, you should be managing, evaluating and monitoring each part of your strategy and ensuring that it aligns with the end goal. If it does not, this is the time where you should make tweaks and adjustment to strengthen the overall plan. This is the stage where you track progress and have the opportunity to deal with any unexpected shift in the strategy. Okay, this stage is specially monitoring all right from your step number 1. Whatever data you have collected, whatever plan you have collected, based on that whatever action plan you have made, you have to continuously monitor it to see to that whatever policy you have formed is going in the right direction. You have to see that if there is certain, you have to make certain tweaks means certain changes in the policy. You can make it little bit changes if it is there. You have to adjust to strengthen the overall plan. So this is the stage which you have to continuously monitor and find out anything is going wrong, then you have to take a corrective action regarding it. So this is the final stage of the process of the strategic management, and it's a very important stage as you have to track your progress. Otherwise you have to again go to your action plans and see what is going wrong. So that's all in today's session. With a lot of positive vibe, signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Funda's channel. Thank you.